Hello everyone, welcome to JJ Reviews. I hope that you had a good Christmas Eve as well as a Christmas Day yesterday. I'm recording on Boxing Day, so I hope everyone's having a good time. As you can see in this video today, because I didn't do one for a couple of weeks because of everything leading up to Christmas and just sorting myself out. As you can see, I'm doing it on Galaxy Buds, just to show you a little unboxing and how you set them up and everything like that, my little opinion and review. These did come out March the 7th this year. You could get them as a good offer with the S10, the S10 Plus and the S10e. Just taking a quick little look, as you can see on the side, you have 6 hours playtime, clear call quality because they have a built-in microphone, and wireless charging, which if you have an S10 you can put the case on top of, like on the back of the S10, so S10, S10 Plus and S10e, all three of them, and charge it that way, and designed for comfort and stability. So obviously there's all just little bits on the back, nothing brilliant, just obviously sound by AKG, which are very good, earbuds, charging case, a different wing tip, earbud tips, so different sets, so however big your ears are when trying to put them in your ear. Some are more smaller, some are more bigger, all depends on the person. USB type C, uses Android, needs Android 5.0 or higher and RAM 1.5GB above. So without further ado, let's just have a look. So obviously slide it open. As you can see here, you've got the actual Samsung, the actual Galaxy Buds. They do have, just picking up now, just take that wrapper off, put one side. As you can see, it does have nice design, and it's got a bit of weight to them, I'd say. I like the look of it, how they've got Samsung, sound by AKG on the front. You got your little LED light here. So obviously, as you can see, earbuds left and right. Here you've got the touch buttons and everything, and here you have a light as well. I have already tried these out earlier, but the earbuds currently on 95%. I did try them out earlier today, but the actual case, there is no battery life in them at the moment, because usually this light here would flash orange to say they're charging the earbuds, and when you close them it should come up here with a light, but I'll show you more on the actual Galaxy wearable app, the Gear wearable app. So obviously USB type C, put that one side, quickly have a look what else is in the box. Don't worry about that, it's just not important. So see if you can see in there, you've got the different sizes for the top and the actual earbuds, but I'll leave them in there instead of getting them out. And you've got your USB type C connector to charge it, but I'll leave that in there for now, and we'll show you the actual app. If this goes, right, never mind that. So obviously you've got your Galaxy Buds. As you can see, I've got my Note 8, so we'll unlock that. So you can see you got that. Usually, let's just quickly show you, when you open them, sometimes they would connect without your Bluetooth on, but you have to take one ear bit out, and there you go, my Galaxy Buds. So as I've got one now holding it, I'll connect. You can see the process is doing it now, and it will automatically turn on the Bluetooth, and as you just saw there, it shows obviously what the Galaxy Buds left and right battery are. So you saw it's 95. So we'll go into the gear wearable. I've already set it up. As you can see, the left one has 95% and the right one has 95% as well. So I'll just show you, when you go into the tips, it obviously gives you a little explanation. You can tap to play or pause track, double tap to play the next one, or in the call side along again, triple tap, which is play the previous track, and touch and hold, which is decline a call, or user's choice. And when you scroll down, the ambient sound, so as you can see here, turn on to amplify sounds from your surrounding. So basically what it is you can have that on, the ambient sound, while listening to music. So with these in your ear, and if someone talks to you, you'll be able to hear them. It will turn down the volume, but you can obviously edit the ambient sound how high you want the volume. Here you've got pairing with a phone or tablet. I haven't seen this just yet. If you've already paired it with earbuds with a phone or tablet, just open the charging case to connect them again. So, like what I've just done, that's what it is. If they don't connect automatically, or if you want to pair with a new phone or tablet, put on your earbuds, then touch and hold both earbuds for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Now you've got is the case level. So as you can see here, now what I said, so I'll put these quickly back in there. It's got quite a magnet, so when you put it in, it just slots in just like that, and that you're good to go. So you can see here the little LED. Obviously now they're not connected. Oh, so you've got to reconnect. Sorry, but just to show you, obviously take one out, and there you go. It's just connected just like that. So very quick, very fast. So we'll go back onto that again. So I'll just put that to one side, sorry. So back to the case, battery level. Helps it charge, so you've got your little light to show level of case. If it's red, so red to amber, it shows 30%. Amber to green on the front, it's 60% roughly, but obviously from a full charge you know it's 100, but if it's just gone on the amber, then it's somewhere along the lines of 60%. That's what I'm guessing myself. But at the moment, like what I said, the case does need charging where the earbuds are charged at the moment. Let's just quickly unlock it again. So yeah, they are charged. Notifications, you can set them, you can turn it on, so when you're using the phone it will be read out loud in your ear. Your touchpad, so you can lock the touchpad. So like when you're putting it in your ear and you're moving them, adjusting them, you might catch the actual touchpad on the front, and it might mess it up with like pausing the track, and you've got to do it again. So you can lock that, and you can select it. You can do Find My Earbuds, so if they're missing, you can start. So as you can hear, that's basically trying to do it. So you can mute it to say you found it and stop. So you can do it for each. Obviously I took the right earbud out, so obviously one's only playing because it knows you've got the other one. As well, obviously just about the app and everything. Everything is all up to date. You can just download and install if there is one. You see it's checking now. We're using the latest software. So just check that every now and again. You can change the device name if you want, battery information. The charging case. Battery capacity is a 58 milliamp battery, which I didn't know, for the earbuds. And for the case, the actual charging case itself, I was reading it more above there, is 252 milliamp, which is quite cool. I would like to have seen as well where it displays here the actual charging case, what that is on as well. It might do when it's fully charged, I don't know, it may not. Obviously here you've got your equalizer, so as you see it's on now as dynamic. You push that, equalizer is off. So with it on, you can only have it on dynamic, soft, bass booster, clear or treble boost. Now I find when doing it I like it on bass boost, but then when hearing different songs, dynamic sounds so much more clearer, the sound quality, especially when doing it on like Samsung Music app when you listen to your own music, or if you go on YouTube, which I use both here and there. So obviously you got that. To set up the ambient sound you need both in your ear. I won't worry about that too much yet. How did that just get moved? Okay, never mind about that. Yeah, because that was originally at the bottom, but now that's there. Never mind. Oh, so you can hold them and drag what you want. So I'll put that back at the bottom, but there you go. It's just a little thing there, a little feature I just found out. So you can move them about here and there what you want at the top. If I now go on to, I don't know, if I play something from, so if I take, I'll take it left on for now. I'll bring it more near the microphone so you can hear just a quick little test of song. Let's just quickly find something. Obviously I'm not trying to do with these musics, it's just to show you. So obviously from that, I won't play it too much because it's copyright and everything, but I'm not trying to take credit for it. It was just to do a little test for you guys. So yeah, as you can see, that's how you do it. You close them all up, you put them back in the case. As you see there, needs to be connected. So obviously your Bluetooth's still there, but when you open it, take one out, it will come up say about connecting. Shows what your battery is. Now for me, I think they're very good wireless earphones. I have listened to the AirPods. They do sound very good as well. I just find with these, because they're like in-ear ones where you push them in the air, they block out more of the sound, and wherever people are near you, you can't hear the music that's playing, basically. Where the AirPods, if you got on quite loud, you can hear them. So, but other than that, I still think the AirPods are just as good. These were purchased on a website called GB or GD Price.com. I think that's what the website is called, and they were $95.99, which I thought was a good price. Amazon were doing them for £104, some obviously £129.99, but we got these in the Christmas sale, so I thought they were a good price. They might still be a good price here and there, so I'll definitely go and check them out. I'll definitely recommend it, buying these. They're a brilliant set of wireless earbuds. Obviously there's a lot more out there, not just Samsung. You've got JBL, Apple AirPods, but that's up to you if you want to spend £159 on them, but completely up to you. But I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment on what you'd like to see next, and also don't forget to subscribe. And in the next video I'll be showing you the official Apple AirPods for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed again, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.